Top 5 apps like Yagoo Dentures reviews that actually work today. Yagoo Dentures is known for dental prosthetics, but most people get this wrong by not exploring verified alternatives with reliable reviews. The surprising truth is there are apps that make ordering dentures and dental products easy and secure. Here are 5 that actually work today. First, Smile Direct Club offers clear aligners and dental prosthetic products with verified reviews. Users highlight convenience and professional guidance. Second, Glidewell Dental provides dentures and dental services with reliable app-based ordering. Customers appreciate accurate fittings and support. Third, Dentrister focuses on affordable dental prosthetics and secure transactions. App users report quality products and quick delivery. Fourth, National Dentix Labs offers custom dentures and dental appliances with expert reviews. Users value professionalism and precision. Finally, Amazon provides dental care products, including denture care kits, with verified user feedback. Many users love convenience and competitive pricing. Pro tip: always consult a dental professional and read verified reviews before ordering. Proper care and fit are key for comfort and longevity. These 5 apps help you safely explore dentures and dental products, making oral care easier and more reliable.